Have you ever held something small, yet felt that it carried a story within it, something made not in a factory, but with hands, with care, with soul? That's the charm of wooden keychains, tiny pieces of art that bring nature, creativity, and personality into everyday life. From simple carved initials to artistic shapes and eco-friendly designs, wooden keychains are more than just accessories, they're symbols of identity, craftsmanship, and love. In today's video, we'll explore beautiful and creative wooden keychain ideas. You can make at home, affordable, eco-friendly, and full of meaning, whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a craft seller, or just someone who loves handmade art. This is where small wood turns into big inspiration, the beauty of simplicity. Wooden keychains remind us of something essential. Beauty doesn't have to be big or expensive. Sometimes, the smallest crafted piece can say the most. A single slice of walnut, a polished circle of oak, or a tiny cube of bamboo can become a symbol of love, identity, or even adventure. These are pieces made not by machines, but by makers. Artists who understand how the touch of a hand can bring warmth to cold. Metal keys, each keychain feels alive, unique in texture, tone, and shape. No two pieces of wood are ever the same, and that's what makes them priceless. You can burn designs into them using pyrography. Carve initials for a personal touch, or even combine them with resin or metal for a modern twist. Whether simple or elaborate, wooden keychains always manage to carry that feeling of crafted with care. The eco-friendly touch, wooden keychains also speak for our times, a time where sustainability matters more than ever. Unlike plastic keychains that end up in landfills, wooden ones come from renewable materials. They're biodegradable, recyclable, and made from nature itself. Many artists today even use reclaimed or scrap wood, giving old pieces of furniture, tree branches, or leftover planks a second life. So when you craft or buy a wooden keychain, you're not just adding charm to your keys, you're also helping protect the environment. Imagine giving a gift that's not only beautiful, but also meaningful for the planet. That's the true heart of eco-friendly art, creativity that cares. A perfect handmade gift. Think about the people closest to you, your family, friends, or partner. What could be more thoughtful than a handmade wooden keychain personalized just for them? You can engrave their name, their initials, or even a tiny symbol that reflects their story, a heart, a compass, a leaf, a star. These small details make wooden keychains timeless keepsakes. They fit in your hand, yet they hold a world of emotion, and because they're lightweight, affordable, and easy to make, they're perfect for gift businesses or craft markets. A simple idea, transformed into something that touches hearts everywhere, from workshop to everyday life. What's amazing about wooden keychains is how seamlessly they fit into modern life. They're practical, yes, they keep your keys together, but they're also expressive, a tiny signature of your personality. Whether you prefer rustic, minimalist, bohemian, or modern styles, there's a wooden keychain design for everyone. Some resemble tiny sculptures, others carry motivational quotes or mini artworks. They hang quietly on your backpack, car keys, or even as decorative charms, constantly reminding you of where you've been, and where you're headed. Why wooden keychains are perfect for small business. For those looking to start a small craft business from home, wooden keychains are one of the most profitable and accessible items to create. They require minimal tools, small workspace, and can be customized endlessly, meaning high creativity and low investment. Teak's a wood that stands the test of time, strong, resistant, and incredibly durable. Teak doesn't just look beautiful, it lasts, it resists moisture, insects, and decay, making it a favorite for both indoor and outdoor creations. When used in a small piece like a wooden keychain, teak adds an unmistakable sense of quality. Its tight grain, smooth texture, and natural oils give it a warm shine that doesn't fade with time. Working with teak is like shaping a piece of history. Every fiber holds the strength of the tropics, the endurance of nature, and the elegance of simplicity. That's why so many creators and craftsmen turn to teak, not just for its toughness, but for the story it carries. A story of resilience, longevity, and timeless beauty. And there it is, the humble wooden keychain, small enough to fit in your hand, yet powerful enough to hold a world of meaning. From a single piece of wood, we shape not just an object, but a memory, a reminder that beauty lives in simplicity, and creativity can bloom even from the smallest things. Each curve, each carved letter, each polished grain. It's not just design, it's emotion, it's the story of the tree that once stood tall, and the hands that gave it new life. Whether you make these for yourself, for loved ones, or to share with the world, remember this, you're not just crafting keychains, you're crafting connections. Connections between nature and art. Between heart and hand, so the next time you pick up a piece of wood, see beyond the surface, see potential, see possibility, see the quiet beauty waiting to become something extraordinary. Thank you for joining me on this creative journey through wooden keychain art. If this video inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more handmade inspiration and woodcraft ideas.